At ayun na nga, mag-vlog tayo about Japan visa requirements. Ayan, ito ready to go to Manila na ipapasa natin sa Japan Embassy. Ano nga ba ang mga requirements going Japan visa? At paano ba kumuha ng multiple and single entry? Usually, yung mga government officials, sila yung laging nakakakuha ng um, multiple entry. Ano ba yung mga requirements? Siyempre, yung application form, 2 pieces passport size na colored picture with white background, original passport, kung may mga old passport kayo na may mga visa stamps, previous visa na in-applyan nyo noon sa other country, pwede nyo pong ibigay sa amin para additional points po yung mga yun. Original bank certificate for the last 3 months with statement of account. Kung may business po kayo, yung business permits like ITR, business permit, ano pa ba? Mga DTI, mga ganun po yung mga may business permit. Pero kung wala kang business at employed ka, syempre yung certificate of employment at yung certificate of employment dapat nakalagay doon yung kung magkano yung sahod mo buwan-buwan. Tapos yung birth certificate, it should be PSA original, hindi po namin kailangan yung Xerox, dapat po original. Kung married ka, syempre marriage contract and authorization letter para to authorize our liaison officer. Tapos ito yung mga application forms, kami magbibigay ng mga application forms, authorization letters, itinerary bookings, hotel bookings, kami na magpo-provide doon, and mga daily itineraries, kagaya nito papunta siya sa Japan on December 16, 17, 18, 19 hanggang 21. Ayan, kami na magbubook sa hotel for you for visa purposes. And ayun na nga, depende na sa inyo kung may travel date na kayo, just inform us and we will help you to secure your Japan visa. We have 3 applicants for today's ready to process going to Manila, and that's it. Thank you.